Hi family, welcome to Vlogmas Day 7 and welcome to turning my home into an Airbnb. Today's video is going to be all about this beautiful kitchen. I'm going to start from the very top and show you how we got here, and I'm also going to be doing a mini tour, so stick around for that. All right, family, this is the fun part. We get to shop until we drop. Anyway, I'm starting my shopping spree at Ross, but we are gonna go to multiple different stores. So let's shop. I have 2 carts full of stuff, any and everything I could need, at least the things that I listed. 2 carts, y'all. Here's my other cart. Pillowcases, curtain rods, everything. 2 carts full. All right, let's go. All right, family, so I got the shopping done and left the stuff in the car because I was super tired. So I just picked Nadia up from school and she's gonna help me bring everything in. Nadia is super excited to help me, and I'm glad she's here as well because I need a little helper. But she finds a way to make everything fun, so just watch her go. Lots of stuff, y'all, and I still need more, and you're gonna see that in this video. I'm gonna go to so many different stores. At this point, I feel like a lot of these people know me. Anyway, this is my contractor. This is the guy who flipped the house for me. He did an amazing job, and now that I'm setting it up for the Airbnb, I just called him back to install some stuff for me. He's gonna do the security camera, the Nest camera, all of the stuff that I feel like needs to be done before someone can live here. So I'm just walking him around and showing him some of the stuff that I still need done. And look at little Miss Nadia, still having fun. She is a character. Alright, so today is another day. I'm here again. I have a lot more stuff to bring in because I did go shopping. So this time I went to Home Goods, Marshalls, I went to Ross again, I went to Burlington, and I forget where else I went. But yeah, I have a lot more stuff to bring in. So whenever I bring the stuff in, I just put them right here and then I go ahead and organize them later. All right, family, these are a lot of the stuff that I got. These are my curtain rods in my shower, curtain rods, regular curtain rods, pots and pans, dishes, as you can see. This is the electrical stuff that I got from Amazon, baking stuff, trash can, curtains, pillowcases. There's a lot of stuff. Like all of these bags are full of stuff. And I'm gonna go through them. I got a lot of my blankets as well. The blanket sets for all the rooms. Some, like, I have a whole bunch of stuff here. I'm gonna show you all. But yeah, this is the first shopping spree. And I'm gonna go ahead and start setting up here soon. I am so ecstatic. So ecstatic. I don't even know what to think. All right, but let's get it going. Let's get it started. I'm super excited. Family, I have been getting a lot of boxes delivered and we are having to set up a whole bunch of stuff. Some of the stuff I can set up by myself, but some I need help, like some of the beds, the furniture, just things of that nature. I wanted to put these bar stools here because I didn't want to cover, you know, the cuteness of the kitchen. I paid a lot of money for the countertop and I want you to walk in and be able to see the countertop. And I also want to keep the space open. And that is why I'm putting these simple bar stools here. I didn't want to go with anything taller or anything that had a back because I felt like it would cover the countertop. These bar stools are from Amazon. I will try to remember to leave the link below. I like them. They are very strong. I've actually used these in the past for, I think, when I decorated a client's house. So I remembered them, so I went ahead and got them. They have them in different colors, by the way. so the bar stools are in. I really like them, y'all. Look at that. That's really pretty. We're starting to have some color in here. Okay, so the whole neutral was done on purpose so I can pop it with colors, and look at that. We already have some nice color in here, and it's only gonna get better from here. The bar stools are nice and simple. They're black. I'm going for a lot of black accents, so this is perfect. So here's what I want you all to let me know. Let me know if you think I should do 3 versus 2, because I really think I could fit another one, but I didn't want to overcrowd that spot, so I did 2, but I think I can do another one. I don't have to, but I think I can do another one. So let me know below what you think, all right? So yeah, this is the bar stool. So nice. All right, family, today I'm getting cleaning supplies. I'm stocking up on my cleaning supplies. I need a lot of stuff. Let's go ahead and get some hand sanitizers. So yeah, this is my cart so far. I have a lot of the essentials, all of these. I'm gonna have my cleaning supply closet. It's gonna be stacked. Bleach wipes. Let's get some bleach wipes. Let's get some baking soda. Yep, we got some baking soda. Like, as you can see, my cart is full. And, yeah. I have so much stuff. I know they're gonna say, whoa, girl, what's going on? All right, family, so I think all of my shopping is done, especially for the kitchen. I got all of the things I need for the kitchen. I got all of the cleaning supplies and every single thing for the kitchen, the bathrooms, and some of the bedrooms. I continue to get boxes. I'm gonna get a whole bunch of boxes because a lot of my stuff are also coming from, different websites. So I'm gonna be grabbing those boxes, setting things up, and we're gonna do a lot of stuff. So all I'm doing today is I have organized everything in all of the closets, the cabinets, the refrigerator, the pantry. Now, I'm just trying to set things up little by little to see how it looks. So you'll see me move things around here and there just to see how I want to set things up. Also, if you really look closely at the stove, I have some Fabuloso in a pot with some water boiling. I like to have a candle or something nice smelling as I'm cleaning or decorating. So that is what I'm doing here. It smells amazing in here, and this is an old trick that I've always done. So again, that is all I'm doing here. I'm setting things up, moving it, putting it back, cleaning, washing the dishes before I put them up. I'm just doing a whole lot here, and I'm gonna probably be here all night trying to set things up and setting up the kitchen exactly how I want it before I can move on to the bedrooms. I just have so much going on. As you guys know, I'm doing vlogmas, so I'm putting these videos up every single day, and it's a lot of work. I like being busy, but this is another level of busy for me, but it's fun. Come back tomorrow to see the full setup of the kitchen and a mini tour of everything else. And I'm sorry I have to say this to you all, but I have to end the video here. I will be showing you the part 2 of, the setting up of the kitchen tomorrow, I promise. And I'm gonna do a mini tour as well to show you how I ended up setting it up. Don't forget to like the video and comment your favorite part. And also, please make sure that you are subscribed to the channel and that your bell notifications are turned on. Thank you all again so much for watching. I love you all, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.